Hello friends! I will show you some of the simple modifications I did on my Genmitsu 3200 CNC. I created a simple PCB to switch laser module on and off again. This was my first PCB done on CNC and my first attempt for top layer silk. As for the laser itself, I created a simple adapter out of thin plywood. I screwed the laser module to it and mounted it on the spindle. Another great accessory is a box. It catches most of the dust and also reduces the noise a bit. Front panel is held by magnets and top part is made from cardboard. But the very first mod I did during the assembly was to add limit switches to all boundaries. I created connectors and sorted them to switches. Then I created holes for them. Both switches can be added to the CNC without compromising its warranty. All new switches serve well and met its purpose already. Thanks for watching.